Okay, this is the first video that we are going to be doing for math class, and I passed out this hard copy on Monday so that you would be able to take notes with this video. So if you were here on Monday and you got the paper copy of these notes, you need to have them out so you can follow along with me and take notes as I write them. So on your notes, you should have all of this on there already. So you just need to follow along and write whatever I write in this red pen. So order of operations, your operations are things like addition, if my pen's gonna work, addition or subtraction, division, multiplication, parentheses, these and brackets, there are other things that are operations. It's things that are in our problems that are not, oops, I spelled parentheses wrong. Things that are in our expressions or equations that are not numbers. So with order of operations, the order in which we perform operations is really important because you can get the wrong answer if you don't perform them in the correct order. So we're going to fill this out a couple different ways. Let's start over here. The first thing you always have to do with order of operations begins with a P, and that would be parentheses. The second thing you have to look for and do with order of operations starts with an E, and it's called exponents. And you guys probably haven't learned those yet, but we will learn them later this year. The third step is M or D, which stands for multiply or divide. And if you notice, these two are on the same level. They both have 3 beside of them. So what this means is you have to do that from left to right in whatever problem you're working on. So if you're working on a problem and multiplication comes before division in the problem, you do it first. If division comes first from the left, you do division first. And then your last step is an A and an S, which stand for add and subtract. And the same thing here. They're on the same level. So you have to do them in your problem from left to right. And then one way a lot of people remember this, they either actually say PEMDAS or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And that's just a way to remind you P, parentheses, E, exponents, M and D are multiply and divide, and A and S are addition and subtraction. So, one important note that we need to look at here is that multiplication can be shown in a lot of different ways. The most normal way, and the way we've probably seen up until this point, is 3 with like a little X, 5. Of course that means multiplication, and our answer is 15. This is another way that is probably new this year, a little dot in between the two numbers, which also means multiplication. So this is 3 times 5, which is still 15. And then the last 2 ways are with parentheses around one of the numbers. These both still mean 3 times 5 and 3 times 5, which is 15. All right, if we go to the back side, there are some examples that we are going to work out and actually apply this order of operations. So with number 1, we have 9 plus 7 times 3. So I'm just going to write up here a little reminder since it's on the front. Parentheses is first, exponents is second, multiplication and division are third from left to right, and last is addition and subtraction again from left to right. All right, so with number 1, we have 9 plus 7 times 3. We don't have parentheses, we don't have exponents. Do we have multiplication or division? Yes, we just have multiplication. So we're going to do this part of our expression first, and I always use these like V's to show what we're going to do first. So we're not doing anything to 9 right now, we're just going to bring it down, and we have 9 plus 7 times 3 is 21. And And now that's all we have left is 9 plus 21, which does give us 30.
This is just a reminder, if you have any technology that needs looked at, please put
All right.
it on the table.
Number
If you
2.
walk in my room, this is Leslie, and put a post-it note with your name, your login info, and what needs fixed. Thanks.
Okay, sorry about that announcement. Number 2, we have 12 plus 36 divided by 4. So again, do we have parentheses? No parentheses. We don't have any exponents. Now we're looking at multiplication and division. I see addition and division. So are one of those multiplication or division? Yes, we have division. So we're going to do it first. We're just going to drop the 12 plus. We're not doing anything with it yet. 36 divided by 4 is 9. And all we have left is 12 plus 9, which gives us 21. All right, example 3. Here we have our new way of multiplication. If you need to draw a little arrow, remind yourself this means multiply. We've got 2 times 11 minus 12 divided by 2. Do we have parentheses? Do we have exponents? Do we have multiplication or division? Yes, I see multiplication and division. We have to do them in order from left to right. So if we move across our problem from left to right, do we come to multiplication or division first? We should see multiplication first, so that's what we're going to do first. 2 times 11 is 22, and then we just bring the rest of our problem down. Now we have subtraction and division. Should we do the subtraction or division first? You see here, division is the 3rd step, subtraction is the 4th step, so we need to do division first. So we're going to do 12 divided by 2 next, which is 6. Then we have 22 minus 6, which is 16. And that would be our final answer. All right, number 4. 4 times the quantity, that's how you say the parentheses, 4 times the quantity, 8 minus 3. So, first step, parentheses. Do we have any parentheses here? We do. So we're going to do that part first. Bring down your 4 times. Don't worry about it yet. Do your parentheses first. What is 8 minus 3? Would be 5. Now we have 4 times 5 left, which is 20. Okay, what I want you guys to do now is to pause your video and try these last 5 problems on your own, please. So pause the video, try these last 5 problems on your own, see if you can work them out, and then I'm going to work them out. So pause me, try these 5 questions, and then hit play again, and I'm going to work them out now. So 2 plus 11 times 3, we don't have parentheses or exponents. We do have multiplication or division, so that has to come first. So we've got 2 plus 11 times 3 is 33. 2 plus 33 should give us 35. So check your answer. See if you got 35 right. If you didn't, please correct it. Number 6, 15 divided by 5 minus 2. No parentheses, no exponents. Multiplication or division? Yes, we have division, so we have to do that first before subtraction. So we've got 15 divided by 5 is 3. Bring down your minus 2. And then we have 3 minus 2, which is 1. Number 7, we have 6 times 3 plus 28 divided by 7. No parentheses, no exponents. Do we have multiplication or division? Yes, we have both. So to solve this, we have to do our multiplication and division from left to right as it appears in the problem. So we should do our multiplication first, because if we move our finger, we start here, move from left to right, do we come to multiplication or division first? It is the multiplication. So 6 times 3 gives us 18. Then just bring the rest of your problem down, plus 28 divided by 7. Now we're down to addition and division. If you refer back up here, or if you have it memorized, do we do division or addition first. We should see that we do division first. So the next part we're going to do is 28 divided by 7. So we've got 18 plus, what is 28 divided by 7? You should say 4. And 18 plus 4 gives us 22. All right, so again, please be checking your answers to these. Fix them if you did them wrong on your own. Number 8, 9 divided by the quantity 11 minus 8. Do we have parentheses? We do. So we have to do what's in the parentheses first. So we've got 9 divided by 11 minus 8 is 3. And now we just have 9 divided by 3, which is 3. All right, number 9. We have 6 minus 5 plus 1. Any parentheses? Nope. No exponents. We don't have multiplication or division. We have addition and subtraction. Well, sorry, subtraction and addition. So, if we look here, remember we have addition, subtraction on the 4th level, but this is the important part here. We have to do them in the problem from left to right. They're on the same level. So, in our problem, we only have subtraction and addition again. If we're moving from left to right, which one comes first? You should see 6 minus 5 comes first. So we have to do that subtraction part first. So 6 minus 5 gives us 1. And we've got our 1 plus 1, which is 2. And that is it for order of operations. Please message me through Schoology or message me through Live Grades or over my email, which is kaylee.hadsel@k12.wv.us if you have any questions or need any help. Thank you.